going to play a small segment with you. It's called Up Close and Personal. So it's all about you, okay? And there's just 2 requests. You just have to be honest and you just have to be quick.
I can't be quick. I'll be honest.
Okay. Just be, yeah, that works actually. Okay, chalo. So, okay. First question is, what is your nickname?
Ishu.
Okay. Place of birth?
Bhopal.
Date of birth?
24 December 1998.
Okay. Your education?
I did my 12th from Bhopal, and then I did a graduation in mass communication.
Okay. Describe yourself in 1 word.
Foodie.
Okay. What did you want it to be when you were a kid?
Doctor.
Okay. Like everyone, like every other second child, I believe so. Okay.
No, there's like a lot of things. I'm sorry, I need to tell you. I wanted to be an actor first. Like that was a very solid choice, you know. But then eventually, when you grow up, you realize, oh, you're from Bhopal, and then you have to go to Mumbai. But imagine, मैंने इतनी vibes भेज दी थी universe ने, that it worked out in my favor when I was not even looking in that direction. When I was like, I was giving auditions, but I was not sure, you know. And then how God plans everything, and everything falls into the right place. It's so beautiful. So yeah.
Right. So in the same,
but doctor का plan बहुत solid चला मेरे type.
Okay. So how did you get into this acting and TV industry? Like, was it a well-planned auditions, or is it something like that randomly someone spotted you? How was it like?
I think it was somehow planned. I did theatre first from Bhopal. And while I was doing theatre, I realized one day that I'm really enjoying it, you know. I want to do this. But then again, there were like a zillion thoughts ki, yaar, you have to go to Mumbai. How will you go there? You know, my parents are here. Both are working. My brother's here. So a zillion thoughts. And I was, मेरे घर पे audition होते थे, इसी घर में, भोपाल वाले घर में. But I was giving auditions of advertisements. मैंने सारे ad के auditions किए. I gave like a lot of auditions and nothing worked out. Nothing worked out. While I was doing theatre, I was giving auditions for ad. And one day I got a script for Ishq Ka Rang Safed. I did it. मेरे घर से ही. I wore a white sari. And it was a long script. It was like 2-page script, and it was not Hindi. It was Avdi. I gave the audition in the month of January. I got the call in the month of March that you have to come to Mumbai for final auditions. So this is how it worked out, you know. I'll not get into too much detail. But yeah, and I think it was mehnat, luck, destiny, everything falling into the place at the right time.
TV debut?
Sorry?
TV debut?
Ishq Ka Rang Safed.
Favorite actor?
Favorite actor? That's a tough choice, you know. It's a very weird thing, but I don't really have one specific actor that, oh, I only love him. Whoever does good work, I'm like, main iski fan hu. He is doing such an amazing work. I love him. And then I see some other work of him or some other actor. I'm like, oh, so there's a lot of people I like, admire, and they are all my favorite.
Okay. Also, the recent actor, जिनका काम आपको बहुत पसंद आया, like you saw the movie and आपको उनका काम बहुत पसंद आया.
I'll go with Pankaj Tripathi.
Yeah, he's everyone's favorite actually.
है ना?
Okay. Favorite dish, like you love to eat that dish 24/7. आप कभी भी उसे.
Chinese. Anything in Chinese. Or dosas. Oh my God, I love dosas. I love South Indian or Chinese. I love dosas. Okay. I'll go with dosa.
Favorite brand? Like, is there any specific brand which you love in clothes, shoes, handbags, anything?
I'm not a brand conscious person. I have things from every brand, from high-ended brands to the local flea markets. I have everything. So there's no one specific brand. Oh, mujhe isi ka pasand hai kuch. It's just that nowadays I've realized I'm getting too much into shoes. मैं इतना ज़्यादा tilt हो गई shoes की तरफ that on Instagram or on Facebook, all I see is shoes. And yeah, so I don't know. Just wanted to share. ये चल रहा है आजकल मेरी जिंदगी में.
Okay. All-time favorite movie.
All-time favorite movie. अरे जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा, अजब प्रेम की गजब कहानी, Three Idiots. These are all my Me Before You. I like that film also.
Okay.
There's so much I've watched. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि अच्छा मैं ये भी देख लेती हूँ, फिर से ये भी देख लेती हूँ. It depends on my mood. If I'm in mood of Desi, this thing.
Right.
Sorry, yeah.
Right. Okay. Are you an angry or peaceful bird?
I think I'm a peaceful person. Camel हूँ मैं. Peaceful camel की तरह.
Okay. What are you obsessed with? Is there a materialistic thing or a person who look like you're really obsessed with?
Right now, I'm obsessed with shoes, but but I think I'm obsessed with my mother and my pets and my family and my friends. Oh God.
That's a great obsession.
Yeah.
Everyone should have, actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are the constant things, you know, कि मैं रहती हूँ.
Right. Okay. Last few questions. What makes you happiest?
I think what makes me the happiest is just being in the moment, just having fun, just when my heart is really smiling, you know. It can be as simple as watching a beautiful sunset, or maybe just playing with my pets, or maybe just sketching or drawing, which I'm bad at, or maybe just looking at the edits, or maybe just eating food after a long day at work. These small things make me the happiest, you know. Small gestures and small things make me super happy.
Okay. What makes
it's
you
not
really...
about the big things, but all the small things.
Okay. What makes you really angry?
People being rude. I can't take that. Not only with me, but with anybody. If you can say that thing in a very polite way, then do it. People being rude, that makes me angry. And people being very harsh towards the animals. Oh, I cannot take that. I'll stop the vehicle, I'll step down, and I'm gonna be all blasting. I can't take that thing, you know. जब वो जानवर कुछ नहीं कर रहा and you're being mean and you're just trying to beat him, oh my God, I cannot take that. It makes me super angry.
Okay. One word or one line which is like your takya kalam you often use in your day-to-day life.
नींद आ रही है यार.
That one.
आजकल इट इज कि मैं बाल कटवा लेती हूँ, गर्मी हो रही है. So my hair length is at such a weird point कि इस पे ना बांधते हैं ना खुले रखते बनते हैं, you know. तो मुझे लगता है तो मैं बढ़ा लूं फिर से, या तो मैं और कटवा लूं. बट नॉर्मली इट इज कि मुझे नींद आ रही है, व्हेन आई एम एट वर्क मुझे भूख लग रही है, ये चीजें बहुत नींद आ रही है, भूख लग रही है, और या.
Okay. Favorite actress, if you can pick one.
No, I can't pick one. There are a lot of. I'll go with Priyanka Chopra.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Favorite singer.
I love Pratik. What's his last name?
Kuhar.
Kuhar. Sorry.
Yeah.
Kuhar. Yeah, I'm just bad. मैं pronunciation किसी के नाम का खराब ना हो जाए. मेरे नाम को लोग ईशा से आयशा बोलते हैं. चलो, so I won't do that thing. I love him also. Oh shit. Oh damn. 1 second. I can't forget the name.
It's okay.
This is so bad. Oh yeah. Amit Trivedi. Sorry, man.
Okay. But why do you got so scared कि आपने video बंद कर दिया?
Because no, I didn't get scared. मैं नाम देखने लग गई क्यों? Because I was listening to that song and अभी एकदम से blank out हो गया कि singer कौन था? So Amit Trivedi, Atif Aslam.
Okay, great. Okay. Favorite app?
And there's so many. अभी ऐसे favorite app?
Yeah.
Favorite app भी होते हैं क्या लोगों के?
होते हैं.
I think WhatsApp.
Okay. Favorite festival?
Diwali.
favorite holiday destination or a place you would like to go?
Europe.
Okay. Last two question. Friends in the industry, if you have any, you have to name them.
A lot of people are my friends. I'll go with Jigyasa. I'll go with Monica. I'll go with Adnan. I'll go with Randeep. अब जिनका नाम नहीं लिया वो बुरा मान सकते हैं. I'll go with Aditi. These are Reem. These people they are like me. So I gel up very nicely with them. I'll go with them.
Right. Okay. And the last question is Isha single, ready to mingle, or just committed to the work?
I'm full on committed to my work, and I'm single, and that too a happy one.
Okay, great. So Isha, thank you so much for answering all that questions so beautifully. This interview took a bit time, but it was worth the wait. I just want to say that. So anything?
No, so it's khatam ho gaya ye.
Yeah, yeah.
I had so much fun. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. No. Say. Go ahead.
So I'm having after a long time, मैं कोई interview कर रही हूँ. मैं भूल ही गई थी okay what questions feel like. It was fun. Yeah. This is the fact. Before every interview or live session, I'm super nervous. And the moment I sit on the floor, I love sitting on the floor and giving my interviews. I cannot do it when you guys are on sets, but I love it. When I'm at home, I am very comfy sitting at home. So the moment I start the interview, I'm all zoned out and blank. मुझे जितनी चीजें पता भी होती है, कोई मुझसे like how you asked me my name, it took me 2 seconds. What's my name? Oh, my Pekingese issue. Like that. But I think that's the best part and that's the fun part. But मजा आया यार, बहुत मजा आया. And I'm sorry अगर मैंने बहुत बोला तो. I just get a little excited. बड़ा childlike excitement होता है वो.
Right. So on this one, anything which you want to say to your fans?
Thank you for being you. Thank you for loving me so much. I really, really love you guys, and you guys mean a lot to me. So thank you so much.
Right. So thank you so much, Isha. On this note, we are really, really waiting you to see back on screen. May you come with a bang, and stay safe and take care. And thank you so much for the lovely interview.
Thank you so much, Kinmay. Thank you for being so sweet. Yeah, you're amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Isha. Bye. Take care.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, this is Adnan Khan.
And this is Isha Singh.
And you're watching us both on
Glitz Vision.
USA.
Yeah.
Thank you.